Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to draw this 3D model using Fusion 360 software. So first we will plan how to draw this 3D model in Fusion 360 software. So if you observe, there are two vertical parts and one horizontal part. So we have to draw 2D sketch for this vertical part and this vertical part, and then we can add thickness by using extrude command. And afterward we will draw 2D sketch for this horizontal part, and we will give thickness 12 mm by extrude command. So go to this create and select create sketch command. Now we have to draw this vertical parts, so I will select this vertical plane. So on this vertical plane we have to draw the 2D sketch for this part and for this part. So we will take this corner at intersection of xy. So I will draw this profile randomly and then we will give the dimensions. So select line command. So from this draw one vertical line. Then if you click and drag the mouse, then we will get arc like this. Then this vertical line and close this loop. Then we will draw this inner circle. So select circle command, select this center and draw one circle. Now we will give the dimensions. Here this corner it is at 12 mm from the intersection of xy from this corner. So from this corner, this edge it is at 12 mm. So from this corner, this is at 12 mm. So I will give this 12 mm. Then this horizontal line means this line, it is 50 because diameter of this circular arc it is 50. So this length will be equal to 50. So select this line and this is 50. So automatically this circle will become 25 mm radius, or we can give that dimension. Then this inner circle diameter it is 25. So enter 25. So this center from this line it is 23 mm. So we can give that dimension from this line, this center it is 23. So enter 23. So this sketch will become black, means it is fully constant. So finish the sketch, and if it is not converted into 3D, then you have to press on home button. Then select this extrude command, select this profile, and thickness it is 20 mm. Thickness is 20 mm. So we can add here 20 mm like this. Then we will draw rectangular plate and we will give the thickness of 60. So again go to create sketch, select same plane as earlier, and by using rectangle command here we can draw a rectangle like this, and we can give the dimensions. So this it is 12, so we can enter here 12. Then this height it is 60, so this is 60, it is 60. From this corner it is at 115. So from this corner it is 115. And from this line this is at 12 mm. So from this line it is 12 like this. So it will become black. So we can click on finish sketch. If it is not converted into 3D, then we have to press on home button, so that it will convert into 3D. Then select extrude command, click and drag this arrow. This is 60, so we can enter here 60, press enter key. So we'll get these two vertical parts. Now we have to draw this horizontal part. So again create sketch. Now select this horizontal plane and draw the sketch for horizontal plane. Select line command, select this intersection, then this corner we have drawn this straight line, then this line, then this inclined line, then this 20 mm which is closed loop, like this, and finish sketch. Then click on this home, select extrude command, then this profile is already selected. Then here there are different options, so we can select distance or two object. So we have to extend this up to base of this object. So click shift and scroll button and move the mouse and select this base plate. So it will be extended up to that, or we can give 12 mm thickness and press OK. So we can see here, this is the 3D model. Now to get orthographic views, that is front view, top view, side view, go to this design, drawing, and from design, then give name here, and this name will be reflected in the title box. So orthographic views from 3D model. Click save. Then full assembly, create new from scratch, standard ISO, unit mm, sheet size A3. Click on OK. So that we will get a sheet of A3 size, and along with this cursor there is one view, that is base view. So I will place this base view here and click OK. If you observe this view, it is left hand side view. So from this we can project front view and top view. So select project view, select this side view, and then click and move the mouse, so we will get front view. Then again select this project view command, select this front view and move in downward direction to get the top view. Then if you move in inclined direction, you will get isometric view. To get shaded portion of this 3D model, double click on this and select here shaded, click on close. Now as compared to sheet size, these drawings are smaller, so we can increase the scale. So double click on each object and give the scale. Here scale is 1:2, so I will give 1:1, so it will become slightly larger. Then for this object also it is 1:1 scale. Then for this object also 1:1 scale. We can click and drag the views to place at proper position. Now we have to give the dimensions. So here it is dimension command, select that, give the dimension of this circle, then select this dimension, then select the circular arc and place the dimension. Center of this circle, from this edge it is 23, then in this line it is 60 mm, then this line it is 12 mm, this is 20 mm, then this line to this line it is 115, then from this to this it is 60. So in this way we can give the required dimensions. Here this title, name and date will automatically come. Then we can click on export PDF, click OK and give the name for this. Select path, so I will select desktop, click on save, and here this is the PDF file, and we can take printout of this PDF file. Thank you.